In this video, we're going to go through a Feederhouse cow. We're using an S790 combine, and currently we have a 645 FD Draper hooked up. So the first step, go to main menu, and then machine settings, and then calibrations and procedures. And then we're going to go to header. And so there are a few different Feederhouse calibrations. The one we're going to do right now is a Feederhouse raise speed calibration. If this is the first time you had this platform hooked up to this combine, it's going to have you do this calibration. So we're going to hit calibrate. And on this page, just kind of lays out what you're going to have to do. You don't have to do it right now, but you're going to want to start somewhere level. The lot in most places is fine. Gravel's okay if it's fairly level. Concrete's good too. We'll go ahead and rev up the engine, hit start. We need to put the fore and aft tilt on 0, so we're going to hit the plus button and hold it. It'll automatically go to the next screen once it's there. And then now we need to lower the head so it's resting on the ground. And then we hit next. Press and hold the header raise switch. And it'll say continue holding. It doesn't look like it's doing much these first few steps, but by the end it'll go up and down real fast. Once it gets to the top of its stroke, it should say press and hold the header lower switch. Once again, keep holding it. It won't seem like it's doing much these first couple rounds. Okay, keep watching the screen. And so now we're going to press and hold the raise switch. And then now the whole lower switch again. We're going to raise once more. And then this final time it should shoot up pretty quick and then back down. And after it runs through it 4 times, you should say calibration complete. You hit save, and we're done.